Well, here we go. We're ready. Arnie's getting some parts put together.
Yep. It's transmission, engine. Take it
Trans
up
and
there.
motor going together. It's going up the other building. So you've seen how easy that is. But throw the torque converter. Did you just hear that double click?
Yeah, you got to make sure they're always seated, otherwise they'll blow the pump.
Make sure it's seated, because you can always put it up there. And if it's not seated all the way, you can tighten her down and it's going to break the pump.
Yep.
That's pretty much it. We had somebody do that one time.
Did you?
Yeah, I figured, oh, it's only a half-inch gap. We can just tighten that in there.
Don't work. That was a big mistake.
Don't work that way.
Don't work. No.
So here we got the dynamic duo here. Which one of you is Batman? You gotta look like a couple of burly guys. So Ryan is now on the team. So Sean, who's gonna be the muscles to hold it up there? You're gonna put this together?
Oh no, we're not stupid. We're lowering this down. I ain't muscling it up there.
All right. So what are we doing now?
Assembly.
Are you like a doctor, and you're the nurse? I know who Robin
Scalpel.
is. I know who Robin is. Oh, you're putting the
Flex plate on.
flex plate on.
And then we'll lower it down and shove the training on it.
Make sure we got some Loctite on there. You're the Loctite
yeah,
guy.
we do. There. Just rub it on the next one a little bit.
And the flex plate takes special bolts. You just can't have any old bolt. Getting a little bit too long and it's not a good thing. And the head is a little bit shorter than most of them. Well, there we go, Arnie. The transmission is meeting the motor.
Alright.
Good teamwork.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
That's what happens when you get old.
Yeah.
When you were younger, you could lay
I used to do
underneath the
this by
car and just
myself when
hold
I was
that up
younger.
with one arm and then put the bolts in with the other one. Now you got to put it on the floor and just tighten her up.
Hold on 1 second.
So again, this is where you got to make sure that the torque converter was in there right. Make sure you don't break an ear off, and make sure you don't break the pump. All right, we're gonna give the motor a ride. Hey, were you with me when I traveled the country doing
No.
the car build?
No, I've never gone with you.
That motor stand right there was
Yeah.
one of our props. We'd put the motor on it with the trans connected.
Yeah.
That motor stand probably has, oh, no joking, hundreds of thousands of miles on it
Wow.
from the East Coast to the West Coast and everywhere in between, north and south.
Wow.
So this is Arnie's motor, fixing to go on there. We're doing the build up at Trinity. We're down at Spirit right now. So we put it together here because it was down here. And what we're gonna do is put it on a trailer and just wheel it up there. And it's gonna go in there. Is it going in there today, tomorrow? Probably tomorrow, huh?
Yep.
And we'll see what else we need to do to get this thing looking right. There it is. Ta-da.